This is video 1 from Unit 5, Lesson 1. We are going to solve systems of linear inequations by graphing. Okay, so a system of linear equations is two or more linear equations together. And then a solution is any ordered pair that makes both of the equations true. All right, here's our steps for graphing. First thing we do is graph each equation. And then, so if you have your axes here. And then you graph your lines like this. Okay, the solution is the point of intersection. So our solutions will be ordered pairs. So an x comma y, where the lines intersect. If they're parallel, so if the lines are parallel, then there will be no solution. If the lines are the same, then there's infinitely many solutions. Okay, so let's do these two examples. In this first one, y equals 2x minus 3. So just graph each line by itself. So this is slope-intercept form. My slope is 2, which we'll put as 2 over 1. And the y-intercept is negative 3. So I'm going to start at negative 3 on the y-axis. And my slope is 2 over 1, so up to right 1. Make sure to draw these lines all the way through the graph. And these aren't inequalities, so you're not worrying about solid or dashed. Right. Change that so I get a solid line. Okay. You really need to use some sort of straight edge for these because to tell where they intersect, you need your lines to be pretty accurate. Okay, so there's the first one. And now let's do the second one. So my slope is 5, which is 5 over 1. Y-intercept is 0, negative 6. So start at negative 6 on the y, go up 5, right 1. So I actually can tell where they're going to intersect. Okay, and draw that line. Okay, so I see that they intersect right here. So this is my solution. This is my answer. So that is 1, negative 1. So I write that as an ordered pair, 1, negative 1. That is my solution. Okay, so what we mean by solution is that it makes both equations true. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug 1, negative 1 into both equations and show that it's true. So 1 goes in for x, 2 times 1 minus 3, negative 1 in for y. And then I make sure that negative 1 does equal negative 1, okay? And then my second equation, that times 1 minus 6. Okay, so I know that this is the correct answer, 1, negative 1. All right, it'll be a good time for you to pause and do the next one on your own, and then play it to check that you did it right. Okay, my slope for the first line is 1/2. My y-intercept is 3. Ooh. So I start at 3, I go up 1, right 2. Okay. If you're going to solve these by graphing, then they're going to go through an actual point, like with integers. They're not going to give you fractions here. It's too hard to tell what the fraction would be on the graph. And my second line, my slope is -2/3, and the y-intercept is 10. So start at 10 on the y, go down 2, and right 3. Right here is where they're going to intersect, down 2, right 3. Even if you figure out the answer without drawing in the line, to complete this, you have to have both lines drawn. Okay, so my solution, right here, that is the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6, 6. Remember, it's a solution if you can plug it in and it makes both equations true. So if I do the check, I type in 1/2 plus, or times 6 plus 3. It gives me 6, so that one is good. So then I check the second one. Okay, I type this in and I get 6 equals 6 again, so I know my answer is correct. Okay. You're now ready to do Unit 5, Assignment 1.